This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica.
This is
The land of my birth. Big tune. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, me nah left ya. I'm a Aki, I'm savage, me nah left ya. I'm a sweet coconut water, me nah left ya. I'm a sand. Me nah just put in something. Here you go.
Sweet banana chips.
No. Say me, don't it? Guys, hi. So this is our independence video. But I never get to finish my song. But I got some I can beg my neighbor some salt, man nah left ya. Right? Sugar?
Beg your neighbor some salt.
Where you say of course? You out of salt to your neighbor tell him so let me beg you a spoon of salt. Let me get a spoon of salt.
Lie, I remember those days.
Right? Country days. But it's still going on, right? So guys, as promised, we have our list of songs to go through. We won't sing them, of course. It's just for the well, Mandel will probably sing. It's just
Soothing with my voice. You know?
I don't have a great voice to be doing that. However, we're gonna start off. So, top 20 songs after Jamaica independence.
So this is not necessarily songs. Well, not necessarily festival songs. Just top 20.
It's not JCD songs or any of those. It's just the top 10 reggae. Let me say reggae songs that came out after.
So the biggest tune them in a Jamaica history since independence.
It could be debatable depending on some people who are watching this, but these are our top 20.
All right.
Starting from 20, 2-7's Clash by Culture, right?
You remember what I said before?
Where go again? I know, but I don't remember something about 2-7's Clash.
For the persons them who know it, we just go and sing it, you know.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so just to let you know from we know the songs, just not word for word, but we know them.
Some of them, most of them.
I know them, actually I know them. Just to let you know. 19, Three Little Birds, Bob Marley and the Wailers. Number 18, Marcus Garvey by Burning Spear. Oh, I supposed to tell you the year. Alright, so 2-7's Clash came out 1996. Bob Marley, Three Little Birds came out 1977. Marcus Garvey, Burning Spear, 1975. The Revolution by Dennis Brown, 1983.
Hold on, man. Other song they go. Try remember that song.
Something about Revolution. Revolution.
Do you want to start the revolution?
Oh, I saw.
Something like that.
Alright.
Something like that.
Repairs of Babylon by the Melodolians by 1969. Everyone knows.
By the who?
By the river of Babylon.
Who's singing?
The Melodolians. Melodolians.
Let me see. Where's here?
Melodolians. Alright, Melodolians.
Melodians.
Are Melodians that? I can't pronounce apparently. Alright, 1969 that. Number 15, No Woman No Cry by Marley and the Wailers. 1974.
Don't go too fast. No woman no cry.
No woman no cry.
Big
Dun 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 dun. Alright. Number 14, You Don't Care by the Techniques. 1967.
You don't care what you remember.
I know the songs, I just can't remember out of my head how them start.
You have to remember something, you know.
I know this one though. Number 13, Legalize It by Peter Tosh, 1976.
Hey, baddest smoker, Jamaica top smoker. If you ask me.
Alright guys, and you know he came out with the song 1976 and up to this day.
Yeah, man, I'm talking.
It's a hit, you know. Probably actually just talking about weed.
Smoke your weed.
Number 12, Everything I Own by Ken Booth.
Hold on.
1974.
What I want to go. Hold on, me try remember.
Alright, next.
Remember this.
Number 11. Sitting and Watching Dennis Brown, 1980.
Yeah, what on?
You know the song because you were singing it, but we just don't, you know.
Sitting and Watching.
It's not really.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, no,
Guys, we know the song. Trust me.
you know the song.
No, I know the song. It's just that
I can't remember now.
I don't know the lyrics, but I know the song. Technically, I wasn't half ready to be born when these songs came out. So forgive me if I don't know the title of the songs.
So,
But I know the songs itself because I did my research, right? Whenever I heard something like, I know this song. I went there, asked him, he is my witness. I went and I played it and I'm like, yeah, I know this song. I start singing, but I don't know the titles, to be very sure. I don't even know who sing them some of the time. Next, The Harder They Come, Jimmy Cliff, 1972.
The harder they come,
The harder they fall, one and all. Next, number 9, Natural Mystic, Bob Marley and the Wailers, 1977.
There's a natural misty blowing in the wind.
Alright, next. Guys, you hear my excited? This is a music archive right here. Though it doesn't seem to be working today.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Number 8, I'm Still in Love with You. Elton Ellis, 1967.
I'm still in love with you, girl.
Alright, number 7, 5446. That's my number. Toots and
the meters, man. Big up yourself. Hold on. 5446. That's my number. That's my number. Big tune.
Number 6, My Boy Lollipop by Millie Smalls, 1964. My boy lollipop to the dun, dun, you make my heart go get it up.
I know.
Alright, number 5, Cherry O Baby by Eric. Actually, I'm not sure who re-sung the song because there's 2 versions. But this
Two
one.
Versions. So what versions are that song?
Oh well, the 2 major versions. There's one by a white nigga. Oh, I'm sorry, a white guy. There was one by a white guy.
So white we got.
Yeah, one by a white guy and the next by Eric Donaldson, 1971.
You sound like that again?
Cherry O Baby.
Cherry O baby. That one the way here, I heard that. So.
Yes, you have another one by a song by a white guy. I don't remember the white guy name, but it does don't have that reggae beat on it. Alright, next. Here I Come, Love and Hate, Dennis Brown, 1984.
Here I come. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life.
Alright.
Hey, what are the biggest tunes?
Next. Number 3, Pour Me Israelite, Desmond Decker and the X, 1969.
What?
You know, Pour Me Israelite. Pour Me Israelite.
Oh, yeah. I'm not talking about.
Yeah. Alright, number 2, Land of My Birth by Eric Donaldson, again, 1978. This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica.
This is
the land of my birth. Big tune. Alright, number 1, which we all should know. One love.
Say it one more time.
One heart.
Let's get together and feel alright.
So Bob Marley and the Wailers came up with this one, 1977.
You know, funny thing is, Bob Marley still outsell more than 3/4 of the artists them nowadays. Even on this list.
So guys, you must have realized that not a lot of Bob Marley was on it. Reason being,
Bob Marley if you check it out, more Bob Marley compared to everybody else.
Alright, but the reason being is because we know Bob Marley songs are topping charts regardless. However, we wanted to give fair and square on top songs that was actually...
No man, them the song they earn them spot.
Yeah,
man.
they earned the spot. Technically, a lot more Bob Marley song could have been on it, but we thought to, be fair. Now, legendary songs that actually did not make our listing.
So these are honorable mentions.
So yeah, that they didn't actually make our listing debatable. But Love I Can Feel by John Holt, 1970. Book of Rules, the Hemtones, 1973. Wear You to the Ball, I love this song. Uri and Paragons, 1970. Night Nurse, Gerger Isaacs, 1982.
Night Nurse. Only alone can quench your thirst.
Next one, The Tide is High, the Paragons again. 1976. The tide is high.
No, you have to dip on a Jamaican beat, man. The tide is high, but I'm moving on.
I'm gonna be your number one. Victor. Alright, next. One Blood by Junior Reid, 1989.
One blood.
Blood.
Next one.
Next, Men Reverse the Cross by Jimmy Cliff, 1972.
Man, reverse the cross. I can't seem to find.
Please give her off key singing. Next, No. You don't love me, and I know now. Don Penn. And actually, I have been trying to figure out which year she came up with this song. There's 2 years, I just really don't know which one. So if you guys know, comment below and let me know, because I just really I'm curious.
Which year you have?
I don't have any blank because they were giving me 2 years, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait until, you know. Next, What One Dance Can Do by Berries.
What one dance can do. What one dance can do.
1985.
Not gonna lie, Berries is one of the biggest artists ever to come out of Jamaica. Mr. Joe Griner, that me call him. Mr. Joe Griner himself. Big up yourself.
Leave People Business, Admiral Tibet, 1989.
I go again, man. Leave people business. I don't know, man. I'm not circle. People, I got to start in
Yeah, we need to know. God is Standing By, George Nooks. Oh, this one is from 2001. Fantastic.
God is standing by.
God is standing by.
One of the biggest tunes.
Okay. And just double check. Can Done by Shabba Ranks, 1991.
Oh, go again.
Alright, moving on to our last set of listing. And these are songs that you just can't get out of your head.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Let me see if it can come out of mine.
So, Action by Nadine Sutherland and Terra Fabulous, 1993. Action. Not a bag of mouth, sweetie. Action.
Not a bag of mouth,
sweetie. Alright, This Magic Moment by Leroy Gibbs, 1987. This magic moment.
Hey, I will if people go over that song there, no?
Yeah.
I don't think that is even the original version.
Alright, next, Knocking on Heaven's Door. Ed Robinson?
What?
Ed Robinson, 1991. Knocking on heaven's door.
Hey, if somebody say I knock on heaven's door, not it.
Heaven can go in a lot of different ways for many.
Yeah, we're not on that heaven's door, but.
Bye. Next, Murder She Wrote. Chaka Demos and Pillars, 1982.
Hey, voila.
Oda, I met a girl and her was Maxine. Her beauty is a bunch of rose. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you don't know what I know. Murder She Wrote.
Real.
Murder She Wrote.
Murder She Wrote. Wait.
I really love face pattern and I say no. Pretty face can.
I pretty race and up. Oh, I want that. Yeah, man, go through.
Alright.
Pretty face and bank and then I gotta leave the girl.
Alright. It wasn't me, Shaggy and Rick Rock. So? Rick Rock.
Rick Rock? You sure?
I like to say.
Yeah, Rick Rock.
2000.
Hey, that other song they basically sell the Hot Shot album where they actually make Hot Shot go big. I think other song there, it wasn't me. Yeah. Remember a documentary Shaggy said them there fight against that song there, you know. But it's a good thing say. It gets a big cause a big tune. Dealing with the girl next door. Fellas, you don't know about that song.
Next.
Wasn't you?
Bad Boys. Big tune. Inner Circle 1993. Bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys.
Hey, that song make a whole heap of money, you know.
And a movie. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, but man, I said that song there itself, the amount of residue as the person supposed to get from that because that song play.
Yeah, it plays a lot. A lot of movies use it too.
Yeah, not only
different Bad Boys.
Yeah.
And a lot of reality TV shows, including Cops, something like that, use it.
Yeah.
Next, Sammy Dead, Moti Morris, 1964.
Sammy Dead, I know Sammy Dead.
Who said Sammy Dead?
Yeah, that's the only Sammy Dead.
I hate that. I don't know. But somebody told me to add this on the list because it's a song once you listen to it, you can't get rid of it. So I guess it's that. Bam Bam, and by the way, there's 2 of them. So the first Bam Bam was
Sister
the
Nancy.
Maytals.
The Sister Nancy first one?
No, the Maytals 1966. And then Sister Nancy came with it again in 1985.
Sister Nancy one of the big one.
Bam Bam. What a bam 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 bam.
The amount of remix offer that version is a lot.
Yeah.
Sister Nancy one, but
technically, actually, I know the Maytals one before the Sister Nancy one. It's afterwards I know hers.
Oh, the Maytals one,
it's the same way, but it's the same song.
Well, it's slower.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think
What's a bum bum.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just at the slower. Guys, if you're wondering how I know some of these songs, despite my age, I'm still in my early 20s. My parents used to have records, and me and my brother didn't know the value of them. If we knew, we could make money. But anyways, if we knew the value of them, I would still have them. I would get a record player or something.
Let me just listen to everything.
If I knew, we used to use them as frisbee at home, me and my brother. If we knew. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad, if you're hearing this. However, it's the truth. We used to play frisbee. There were a lot of them, and a lot of these songs were on them. But next thing,
this one.
don't listen to him. Take It Easy by Hopton Lewis, 1967.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. No need to worry.
Alright, next song. Ba Ba Boom Boom by the Jamaicans, 1967. That's why I say it's sketchy. It's easy to never take it to your head or your Ba Ba Boom Boom. It's still in your head. Alright, Duppy or a Gunman. Ernie Smith, 1974. That song must be a Duppy or a Gunman. I never stop to see.
I'm on no fine note yet. Hey,
I say Kunupala, in Kunupala.
Oh no, know what I sang the meaning, people.
What that mean?
If you know what I mean, comment down in the comments.
What mean?
What I mean?
No, Duppy or Gunman.
People, if you know what the song mean and educate Julie, I'm gonna leave it right there.
Wait, I never physical Duppy or Gunman.
If you have a physical Duppy.
What you talk about? Annie Palmer was real?
Yeah, she said.
Shirley. People who know the Jamaican horror movie Shirley. Eh?
Alright. For educate her, I'm not gonna tell her. Right. We know it. All that to know with me. Alright, move on.
Alright, Tenement Yard by Jacob Miller, 1975. Dreadlocks no live in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks no live in a tenement yard. Sumo su 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 su. Sumo waki waki waki.
Hey, big tune. Big tune.
Alright, we're closing down. Next. She said she call me Mr. Bombastic, semi-fantastic. Alright, everybody must know this. Shaggy, 1995. Good tune. My favorite. I love this one. Next, also Shaggy, 2002. Strength of a Woman. So put a smile upon your face and take it to a higher place. So don't you underestimate strength of a woman. Oh, and last but certainly not least, some of you don't know that this is a Jamaican song. The Electric Boogie.
Boogie. Marcia Griffiths, our 1967.
1982.
Oh, sorry, Marcia.
Oh, no, I wanna go. You gotta know me. It's electric. Boogie. It's electric. Boogie. Hey, so guys, if you didn't know that this song was a Jamaican song, well, if you don't know, now you know.
Yeah, man. Big time, Marcia Griffiths. Hey, Marcia Griffiths is in the industry for more than half a century. She's there a long time, man. Big up yourself, legendary.
Love the song. Song always have that feeling for you to get up and go get your body moving. Alright, so guys, we have completed our...
Why not a Sean Paul on that?
Oh no, sorry, I didn't have any for real.
Guys, I'm a big Sean Paul fan. And to me, one of the most underrated Jamaican artists of all time.
For real, I really don't have any on it.
In records alone, in stats alone, we tell you how big Sean Paul really is, globally speaking.
Probably he should be in the honorable mention.
Yes, he should have.
Alright, then, like how you want him to be on it.
Sean Paul have hits back to
Hey, name 2 hits so we can add it.
Temperature.
What am gonna keeping you warm?
I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm.
Okay.
You get me?
Next one.
I'm still in love. The remix, that's a big hit.
Oh, that's what I was missing. I knew that there was another version of it.
Tell you, man.
I knew that there was another version of it. Okay, so forgive me, Sean Paul and all his fans. I don't know how it slipped through here, but it slipped. Guys, so
Shaggy have more hits than a lot of them artists on them. Interesting.
Shaggy was mentioned twice.
No, it's not Shaggy, Sean Paul. Sorry again. Sean Paul.
Alright guys, so next time we will be doing probably an old school dancehall, but we really wanted to do the reggae version for the Independence weekend thing, because you know that's where we came from, you know, reggae, although we should have added some dancehall onto it.
Sorry, I'm going in and now.
Yeah, we should have added a little dancehall to it. However, we wanted a reggae version first, and then of course we'll do a dancehall afterwards. So hope you liked our mentions. If you think some of the top 20 could have been switched out with something else, you can just let us know in the comments below. Also, again, we apologize for who we did not name and for songs that were listed and we just never know how them start. Believe you me, we do know the songs, because when we are home, I'm pretty sure the neighbors hearing people crowing at the top of the building. But
crow? This quality voice?
We crowing.
This quality voice?
What quality voice? You hear yourself?
People, this is beauty right here. You get me? I say national treasure right here.
Please stop talking.
Should be preserved. Yeah, I said preserve. Yeah, big up yourself.
You need to be put on ice. Anyways,
yeah,
guys,
preserve.
Yeah, ice, dead. Kill it where it stands. Guys, we love you. Thank you so much for tuning in to Car Vibes. See you in our next episode. Bye.
Big up on yourself.